Hello everyone, this is Tanmay Sharma. My register number is UR15 CS188. This is my experiment number 1 of Computer Networks lab, in which I have to differentiate between the switch and the hub. So here, as you can see, I have connected 4 end devices with one switch and 4 end devices with one hub. The end devices can be any of them, that is, it can be either a computer or a laptop. So the switch takes the switch takes booting time. As we we make connection between the end device and the switch. Here it shows orange dot, that is, it takes the booting time, and after some time it becomes green, which shows that the connection between these two devices is successful. And in hub, while we connect the end device with hub, it shows two green dots at the time of connection itself. So this shows that it takes no booting time. So now we'll see the difference between switch and hub by sending unicast message. Like whenever we send a unicast message via switch or a hub, what is the difference? So for that, inside first here I have assigned IP addresses to all the devices which are being connected to switch and hub. So this is our CMD. So now I'll write the command for unicast message, that is ping, and then followed by the IP address of the system which is to be pinged. 1 dot, let's say 3. This is unicast message, that is, it is being casted to one device. So as you can see here, the packet is being created. So through ping command we can send the packet. We can, like, whenever we write this command and press enter, then a packet is created, and then after that the packet is being sent to the IP address which is being assigned there. So here you can see that inside the outbound PDU details, inside the ICMP protocol, this is the request edge of type 8 and code 0. So after this message is being unicasted, and then when it is received, it becomes type 0 code 0. So let's send a packet. So as you can see that the IP address which we assigned, so the message was unicasted to that IP address to that system, and then again it was received back. And now if we check the ICMP protocol, so here now that request, after that request edge, it has become type 0 and code 0. So now we'll send the unicast message inside the hub. Yeah. So reset simulation. So again we'll type the command ping and followed by the IP address 192.168.2. Let's say 3. So as you can see, again here the packet is created, and whenever we unicast the message, so as you can see that I place the IP address of this system, but hub has sent that packet to all the systems connected to it. So this point differentiates best between switch and hub, that whenever we send a unicast message to switch, it sends to the respective system, and whenever we send it through the hub, it sends that packet to all the systems. So now let's check out what happens when we send a when we ping the broadcast address. Yeah, so now again for sending the broadcast message, we would type ping followed by the IP address 192.168.1.255. So as you can see here, again the packet is created, and through broadcast address the packet is being broadcasted to that means to the whole the devices which are being all the devices which are being connected with the switch. The packet will be sent to those devices. Yeah, so as you can see here, from switch it went to all. So now the same we'll check with hub. So again we'll give the command as ping followed by the IP address 192.168.2.255. So as you can see here that the packet is created and it is ready to being broadcasted. So now we'll capture the we'll click on the capture forward button. So as you can see, so as you can see here, the symbol of fire has come, which tells that the packet is being destroyed, that is collision has occurred. So again if we send back, see, so at the time of receiving the packets, collision has occurred. So we can say that while we send a broadcast message using a switch, the broadcast message goes successfully, but when we use a hub, when we send a broadcast message through hub, it is not possible to send as collision occurs. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video.